Pre-mine inspections complete. Starting cutter head.
Starting propulsion. Earth pressure nominal.
Liner truck arriving.
Unloading segments.
Crane to bay 1.
Segment 1 engaged.
Flying to shuffler. Segment 1 on shuffler. Segment 6 on shuffler.
Segment 1 engaged, going to position. Swinging to theta. Axialing out.
Erector homing.
Segment 2 presented.
Segment 6 engaged, going to theta. Segment 6 braced.
Ring boat complete. Current advance 2300 millimeters.
Continuing to push.